Just a quick 1-minute view of this new drawing in the Sightseeing with Dignity, Tolerance, Human Rights, Education Art Series. Pro-life, anti-gun terrorism memorial drawing to Aiden Leos, age 6, who was shot to death May 21st, 2021. While a passenger in a car driven by his mom, and he was with his sister. He was on his way to kindergarten. Point out, postage stamps and rubber stamps in the bottom here. United States Bill of Rights. Baby deer, which is like a Bambi. Baseball. Kids his age and they're getting to Little League. Like to play baseball and so on, softball. First civil settlement, California, 1777. A rabbit on a bicycle rubber stamp came out a bit blurry. Toothbrush sense of Abe Lincoln. Those who deny freedom for others deserve it not for themselves. To allegorical gun rights, terrorism, sea monsters and monsters, more in the center there. And people can read all the text going around in still photos. I'll also have it in the description text in my website, the Sightseeing with Dignity Art Series Art Gallery. My memorial portrait in ink of Aiden. Alright, there you have it. 2 minutes.